and Bagocor, with their head choreographer, Robert Patrick De La Rosa Arguelles, dance masters, Joel Adanza Alog and Brian Mascon Malangit, with musical director, Joe Eagle Evans.
Sacred Bonds tells the captivating story of Ayesha, a devotee Muslim, and Miguel, a devotee Subanen, whose forbidden love defies societal and religious norms. Set in a multicultural city, their journey unfolds against a backdrop of rich traditions and deeply ingrained beliefs. As Ayesha and Miguel's path cross, they are drawn to each other by an undeniable connection that transcends cultural and religious divides. Despite their growing affection, they face opposition from their families and communities, who view the relationship as an affront to tradition and faith. Caught between loyalty to their loved ones and a fervent desire to be together, Ayesha and Miguel navigate a tumultuous journey filled with heartache and sacrifice. Their love is tested as they confront prejudice, discrimination, and the daunting prospect of choosing between their religious identities and their love for each other. Amidst the turmoil, Ayesha and Miguel find solace in each other's arms, finding strength in their shared belief in the transformative power of love. Together, they embark on a quest of acceptance and understanding, challenging the entrenched prejudices of their society and seeking to forge a path towards unity and harmony. As they invade the union to a Christian ceremony and bond the tie between Muslim and Subanen as one. Sacred Bonds is a poignant tale of love, faith, and resilience, reminding us that love knows no boundaries and that true compassion lies in embracing the diversity of human experience. Contingent number 6, Barangay Estaca.
Thank you.